Welcome to the Book Club Podcast, the place where hidden truths and untold stories come alive. Life, relationships, struggles, healing. It's all here. So keep watching, subscribe now, and share this with someone who needs this conversation. The next story could change everything for you or for them.
The past has a strange way of holding on to us. Even when we've walked away, even when we've said we're done, it whispers. It whispers through memories, through old pain, through the faces of people who once broke us, and sometimes through our own reflection in the mirror. You think you've moved on, but then one word, one place, one memory, and suddenly you're right back there. Heart racing, hands shaking, wondering, why am I still stuck here? Let me tell you something. The past doesn't let go easily. Not because it's stronger than you, but because wounds don't vanish just by ignoring them. They demand to be healed. And healing? It isn't quick. It isn't neat. It isn't painless. Healing looks like crying over something you thought you were done with. It looks like loneliness when the people who once fit your brokenness no longer fit your growth. It looks like confusion, anger, and silence, all mixed together. But hear me, just because it feels messy doesn't mean you're going backwards. Healing is not a straight line. It circles back. It reopens. It stings. But every time it hurts again, it hurts less than before. That's progress. That's growth. That's freedom being built inside you. And here's the truth. Letting go hurts before it heals. It feels like tearing away a piece of yourself. But that pain is the breaking of chains. Because the past is not your prison. You are not the mistakes you made. You are not the people who hurt you. You are not the heartbreaks, the failures, the shame. You are becoming. And every tear, every deep breath, every quiet moment of choosing not to go back is proof that you're stronger than yesterday. So yes, your past will fight to control you. It will replay itself in cycles of pain. It will make attachment feel like love. It will make sabotage feel like safety. But you can break the cycle. You can step out of yesterday's shadow. You can heal, even if it feels lonely. And you can walk free into a future that isn't chained to the past. Because healing from the past isn't just possible, it's your birthright. And letting go? It's not the end. It's the beginning of peace, of joy, of a love that won't break you.
Welcome to the Book Club Podcast, the place where hidden truths and untold stories come alive. Life, relationships, struggles, healing. It's all here. So keep watching, subscribe now, and share this with someone who needs this conversation. The next story could change everything for you or for them.